I found a guy wearing a teal mask with a gun in his hand. Seems to not be talking. No, just has a gun in his hand.
Standing smack dab in the middle of the road.
I mean, what do we do?
I mean, you shouldn't be standing in the middle of the road.
Shottaz. Makes sense.
Yes.
Okay, Peter, he was processed and the report was ready now.
10-9?
I said the suspect was processed and the report was ready now.
Thank you.
I know, what's your name? Sir?
Keep it moving.
That's the Adam's Apple dealership.
He's running.
Gotta cut him off.
Exercise caution. Stop!
Getting out. Pursue.
Let's go the other way.
70. He's shooting! Shots fired!
Is he down?
Yes, he's down. Come here,
Oh
Peter.
my god.
Peter to EMS. Can I get EMS over here on Vespucci Boulevard?
Thank you.
EMS.
You got the suspect?
No, hey, we need you on the other side. Over there.
By the state if available. Do you understand the rights that I've read to you?
No, one more time. I didn't hear.
No, it's alright. I did it 3 times.
3 times already.
Yep.
Shit.
Sorry about that.
It was good.
Probably gonna run.
Yeah, I'll hold him. But I need someone else to hold him.
Yep,
He's
there
not
he
even-
goes, and he's not cuffed.
Here, I
Oh
got
my
him, I got
god.
I had him cuffed.
Tase him.
Stop!
Yeah.
He is fast.
He's gonna turn around us in a minute. Just
Somebody get in a vehicle and cut him off. Stop! Stop!
Logan, get your vehicle. Logan,
Stop!
Oh, bro,
Stop!
you need to say things
Stop!
something before you cannot
Stop!
just shoot and
Stop!
Oh my god, there's no fucking shot.
God.
Do not move! Do not move! Do not move!
He's skill checked.
Shoot him!
Dead.
Bro, you guys are trash.
I swear I
Shit.
More shots.
Jesus Christ. PD to EMS. PD to EMS.
Go ahead.
Are there any suspects in that area still? From your viewpoint?
What would you say?
Are there any suspects still in that area?
Not that I know of.
Alright, I'm coming back around. Code 4 moving.
Oh, I tried.
No, you did good. It's good. It's fine.
I killed one, but I got flanked by the other two.
Thank you for saving me. Again. It's annoying.
Alright, let's start gathering some casings.
So I know what the car looks like. 4 of them, no, sorry, 3 of them are in a
It's a
black
local car.
SUV.
They'll ditch it.
Yeah.
And
Just a
shot at
local.
gang members. Thank you, EMS again. I mean, I killed one, but I got flanked by 2 of them, so it's like... I'll be back. You guys want to run to your cars?
Yeah, I'll run to mine.
Okay.
A lot of blood and not a lot of casings.
I have a lot of casings.
You got a lot of casings?
2, 3,
Alright. I'm gonna need
like 7.
7 of them?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I was speed running, picking them up from where Gambino. That was Gambino. Gambino shot at his guys. Gambino was the one.
I
we
wonder
were
if
chasing.
Thule's here.
That was definitely Thule over there. That had to be.
The guy that we stopped originally?
No, the one we saw originally was like the one we were chasing to the construction. That was Gambino.
I think it was a small gang.
That was no, they're not a small gang.
They're not a small gang.
No,
There's
they're.
only like 2 people, 3
No, no,
people
no.
that I saw.
It's early.
True.
That was Gambino we were chasing, and
Okay.
there had to be. But if not, we'll get it from the casings. It will see who was
I
here.
hate that guy.
If he
keep
was
seeing
here,
him.
if he was here, that's better. But
No, Thule's not here.
okay, we're doing that thing today, so you know.
Yep. Alright, so you got casings. It's good.
Yeah, I got 7 of them.
Perfect.
I didn't eat breakfast.
We should also go back over to the construction site, get that other one, so we
Oh,
can
yeah,
determine
yeah,
who
yeah.
our primary suspect is.
Yeah, the I know exactly where the location is of where he shot, so I'll get that.
Okay.
Alright, Logan, come with us. You're gonna come and collect some evidence with us as well. This is your primary as well.
I'm angry.
You're angry.
Yeah.
Why?
He got away.
He didn't get away.
His freaking gang members.
He's just on the loose.
Well, I mean, he got away from the crime scene.
Yep, that'll happen. Did he shoot from here? Did he shoot from here?
Yeah, I got the casings
happened?
and stuff.
I have a little bit
No,
of blood.
I'm
Oh.
saying Gambino's skill check does like 34 times those spells.
Oh yeah, I know. But I killed him, but I got flanked by 2 others. My problem.
Yeah.
Alright, I got 8 casings and a few blood pouches.
Perfect. Let's get him down there and get something worked up on this.
Alright.